So I have recently received this product from this brand called Royalkart, and these are all magnetic board. So I'm super excited to unbox this with you guys. Let's see what we have inside and how we can use this in our day-to-day life. Okay, so which one to start with? Let's start with this small one. So it says magnetic board. Let's open this up. So we have a small board here. Okay, we have pen as well. So wow. So this is the magnetic board. Let me open this up. So we have the first magnetic board. It has a to-do list section here, and you can make your grocery list here. And this board came with these 3 pens. We have in 3 different colors: black, blue and green, and a duster and some magnetic clips. So yes, it's super nice. As you can see that this magnetic board is a little bit tilted at this point because of the packaging, and if you try to stick it on your fridge or on your almirah, it won't stick properly. So what you have to do is to just flip it and roll it backward like this, and just keep it inside the box for a while, like 15 to 20 minutes, and then it will be perfect for you to stick on your almirah or on your fridge. So we will get back to this in some time. Let's move on to the next one. Let's see what we have. It's a big one. So okay, so we have a monthly magnetic board here. Let me just remove the plastic. It's a big one, I must say, and we have a lot of space here to write. I just love it. This will be very helpful for me to do my content planning, and yeah, it's very versatile. So it's a monthly calendar, as you can see, and I really love that it has a lot of space here to write, and I'm going to start using it from today only. And with this, it came with these pens as usual. So we have 3 different color pens: yellow, red and violet, and 1 duster and some magnetic clip. So let me just fold it backward similarly so that I can paste it as soon as possible, and just keep it inside the box in which it came, and we will wait for like 10 to 15 minutes for this to open up properly. Meanwhile, let's open the third box as well. It's again a huge box. Let's see what we have inside. So this is again a magnetic monthly calendar view, and it has this ruled section going on. Loved it. So this is how it looks like. It's very spacious, I must say, and I can see myself using this in my daily life. This is very versatile. I will show you how you can use it in different ways. So yeah, loved it. By the way, if you are interested in any of these products, you can use my coupon code. This is my coupon code. You will get some extra discount if you purchase from their website. I will provide all the links in the description box below. Now let's go ahead and paste all of this. Alright, so I'm starting with this monthly calendar. I really love the quality of this board, and it's really sturdy and it's very affordable. So I'm just sticking this here in my almirah. So yeah, here it goes. So what I'm planning to use this for is for my content creation. So I can write down the month name here. Just for example, I'm showing you at this point. So suppose it's for the month of April. So I'm writing the month here, and then I can like indicate in which day I want to shoot a particular video or upload a particular video. Suppose for Monday, I can like mark it like this. A new YouTube video will come. So similarly, I can mark my YouTube video dates here. And since this board is undated, it's very convenient to put out your date here. So for example, April starts from Saturday, so I can just mark all the dates here like this. Yeah, I can like use this to write down when I am shooting, when I'm editing. So we do have different colors going on, so I can use different colorful pens to indicate when I'm editing, when I'm shooting and everything. And I can also make my Instagram content calendar here. It's very helpful. So I can use the purple one for Instagram because Instagram is a purple color. So like this, I can like indicate and write down the topic here, any XYZ topic. At this point, I'm not able to think. So yeah, I am thinking of using this like this. If you are a student, you can use this to make your study plan. If you are taking care of your home, if you want to use this as your home management planner, then you can write down your cleaning routine here. You can write down your meal plan here. So it's very versatile. You can write your appointments here. It's just in front of your eyes. You will see this every time you will cross this passage. So I feel that this is a very good visual planning method. So I'm really happy with the product. The quality of this product is very nice. So super thumbs up, and I will highly recommend you guys to purchase this.